हाँ जी, yesterday we had started with PP. Which company developed PP? Microsoft. In which year?
Microsoft, 1991.
1991. Okay. What are the basic features of PP? One by one, raise your hand and then give answer. Yes. Huh? Programming language.
User-friendly interface.
Correct. User-friendly interface. We can create user-friendly interfaces. It is based on basic language. Event-driven programming. What do you mean by event-driven programming? Yes, Somil? Correct, very correct. The statements are not executed in a particular sequence, but they are executed when a particular event occurs. What do you mean by event? What do you mean by event?
Freeware.
Yes.
Freeware for beginners.
Freeware for मैं I'm asking about event. Event क्या होती है? Okay, Kritika. When a user performs some action, okay, and that action can be single click, double click, right click, or key press, okay, or selecting an item in a list, or checkbox, or radio button. Okay, any of these things happen, any of these things are performed by a user, that is called event. That user performs some action. Yes, Priyanshu, can you please repeat what do you mean by event-driven programming? Why? की तो जरूरत भी नहीं है. I'm saying उसने explain किया, I explained. You don't need book, you don't need ears. Yes, Anik? That these are the examples of event. Event means a user performs some action. Okay, that is event. When that event occurs, action related to instructions related to that event will get executed. Clear? Okay. Today we are going to do the next topic, modes of Visual Basic Programming. Now be attentive in the class. You need the book to learn answers, so you must bring it. बुक के बिना आप आंसर नहीं दे पाते हो क्लास में, तो बुक लेके आया करो. Modes of Visual Basic Program. There are 3 modes of Visual Basic Program. One is design mode, run mode, and break mode. जैसे आपके पास बेसिक में 2 विंडोज होती थी, एडिटर विंडो एंड आउटपुट विंडो. In editor window, what you do? You write the programs. In output window, you see the output of those instructions, output of the program. Similarly, we are having the design mode in which we will design the application, in which we will design the form. Form बनाएंगे, form के ऊपर controls place करेंगे, coding करेंगे. We will create the proper application. That is in design mode. Run mode, when we run the application and see the output of our coding, output of our programs, instructions, how they are working. That is run mode. Design mode, that is the name suggests that we are creating the objects, we are writing the instructions, we are writing the statements, we are writing the programs, creating the applications. But run mode is the user end mode. User end mode means we created program, user is using it. ठीक है, वो रन कर रहा है. आप कोई ऐप डाउनलोड करते हो, डॉक स्कैनर डाउनलोड कर लिया, कोई गेम एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर ली, यू आर प्लेइंग द गेम, यू डू नॉट हैव द कोडिंग. आपके पास उसकी कोडिंग नहीं है, आप उसमें एडिटिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हो. You are just using that application by pressing the different buttons or by selecting the various options. That is a run mode. ठीक है, तो when we create the programs, obviously we test them by running it. ठीक है, run mode, when the program runs, it gives us the output of our instructions. Okay, break mode, when the application encounters some error. ठीक है, कोई एरर आ गई है या डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, इट विल ब्रेक द प्रोग्राम, पॉज द प्रोग्राम, halt the program temporarily, then highlight the instruction, highlight the error also. Error highlight हो गई, program halt हो गया, pause हो गया. If you can correct the error at that place, you correct that error, you click on continue and it will continue from that location only, from that instruction only. ठीक है, that way you do not need to go to the beginning कि हाँ beginning से जाके दोबारा run करेंगे. You can correct the error and you can click on continue and it will continue the execution. That is break mode. When some error occurs, it generates some error, it pause the program or halt the program temporarily and give us the time to correct the error and we can continue from that. And अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे इसमें कुछ और ज्यादा changes करनी है, I can't do that in break mode, you can stop the execution, go to the design mode, it will come to the design mode, make the corrections and then run it again. Clear? Run mode means when we are executing the program, we are seeing the output of our instructions. When you are using any application, you are running the program. Okay, user end. Then how the user will use your application. Okay, that is your run mode. Okay, who can give me the names of 3 modes of Visual Basic programming? Design break, run. Properly bolo, design mode, run mode, break mode. Correct. Okay. What we will do in design mode? To type yes. What's your name? What do you mean by design mode? To create a program. When we create a program by placing the controls, by doing some coding, we are creating the program that is done in design mode. Naman, run mode. Run mode. आवाज नहीं आ रही. Written by the executor. When statements are executed to see the output of that instruction, output of the program, that is run mode. And break mode. Anji, Arman, break mode. Desired statement executed नहीं है, बुक में से पढ़ के लाइन बोल रहे हो, वो भी हाफ. मीनिंग बताओ, डोंट गो फॉर द बुक. आपको मैंने अभी क्लास में एक्सप्लेन किया है ब्रेक मोड में क्या हो रहा है. There is an error, program halts or pause temporarily, you remove the error and you can continue from that. When the program halts, that is a break mode due to some error. जब pause हो जाता है या program halt हो जाता है due to some error, that is called break mode. Sit down. Okay, next is starting Visual Basic. How to start Visual Basic? As we run all other programs by clicking on Start button, all programs, Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. Okay, it will open Visual Basic. When it will open, it will show you this kind of window. As you can see on the screen, this kind of window will appear. Okay, in this start page, this is the start page. In this start page, we are having different sections. Okay, we are having different sections. On the left hand side, you can see 2 options, new project and open project. This is the new project or open project section. Okay, on the left hand side, new project, open project. Options are there. This is a new project or open project section. Below that, there is a recent project section. जैसे आपके पास MS Word में या PowerPoint में आपके पास फाइल मेन्यू पे क्लिक करो, ओपन पे क्लिक करो, recent फाइल्स आती हैं. The recently used files आपके पास 8 to 10 files are there which you had recently used, last used files. है ना, जो लास्ट हमने यूज करी है वो फाइल्स की लिस्ट आती है. Similarly, यहाँ पे recent project section is there in which you will have the list of recently used projects. Clear? You can directly click on any project that you want to open. Each project can have multiple forms. जैसे आपके पास access में multiple tables and forms, queries and reports, all the objects are there. आप एक और database open करते हो, all the objects की list आपके पास सामने होती है. That is a part of each one database. Similarly, in each project you can have multiple forms and other objects. Okay? When we open an application, all the forms get opened. Clear? Recent project का फायदा क्या है? You do not need to go to the open dialog box and search for the proper folders and then find out the project. Recent project में list हमें नाम अगर आ रहा है, you just click on that, that project will get open. Okay. Next is your getting started pane. This is your getting started pane. This get started लिखा है. This is your getting started pane that provides you the helpful tips to quickly develop an application. And below that, there is a latest news section. What's new in Visual Basic Express? Or you can have the latest news tab. Tab is there. You can click here, and if your computer is connected to internet, you can get the latest news about the Visual Basic Express. New releases, new additions, or some news related to that application only. If there is any news that can be displayed. Okay, on the right hand side, it is written properties section, but in practically we can see there is no property section, there is solution explorer. Okay, there is a solution explorer. We will discuss it and then we can make change here. There is a solution explorer, not properties. Okay, solution explorer जैसे आपके पास assess में navigation pane होती है, navigation pane में क्या आ रहा होता है? Objects of that database, है ना? कौन-कौन से tables हैं, कौन-कौन से forms हैं. Similarly, Solution Explorer will display the names of various forms which are included in the project, in the application. ठीक है? It display the in a tree view. जैसे आपका Windows Explorer में tree view होता है कि एक folder के नीचे दूसरा folder, दूसरे folder के नीचे next folder, then उसके अंदर की files display होती हैं. Similarly, here we can have the Actually, we can have VP में हमारे पास और भी objects हैं forms के अलावा that we can include, but presently we will use only forms. So all the objects are displayed in a tree form in Solution Explorer window. Clear? So what are the various names or what are the various sections of this start page? कौन-कौन से sections हैं? One is new project, open project pane. Second is recent project pane. Third, getting started pane. Fourth, latest news section pane, and fourth is property section or solution explorer. We will discuss what we will write. ठीक है? हाँ, solution नहीं वहाँ पे दिया properties window ही करा हुआ है. But presently we can see in practical we are having solution explorer. So we will make some change here. Yeah? हाँ जी. हाँ जी. What are the various sections of this start page? कौन-कौन से sections हैं? New project or open project section. Recent project section. Getting started section. Latest news section and solution explorer. Clear? Give me the names of 5 sections, then you can go. Give me the names of 5 sections that we had just learned. We had just learned the 5 sections. I showed you on the screen. कि कौन कौन से 5 सेक्शंस हैं स्टार्ट पेज में. They had repeated 2 times. If you give me the names, you can go. Okay, clear है सबको यहाँ तक? Okay, next is to create a new project. You just click on this new project option in this start page. Look here. When you click on this new project option, you will get this new project window. In this, we will click on Windows Form Application, which is by default selected also. Windows Form Application and click on OK button. Clear? In this start page, click on New Project. In New Project window or dialog box, click on Windows Form Application and then click on OK. Now it will create the new blank project with one form in it. Now comes there another question. Parts or components of VB IDE, VB interface. अब ये VB हमारे पास खुल गई है, विंडो डिजाइन मोड ओपन हो गया है. इसमें कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं? ठीक है. Now there can be two questions. There can be two questions. Similar questions हैं आपके पास. One, components or parts or sections or panes of start page. जो पहले हमने अभी करे हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ना है. कंपोनेंट्स या पार्ट्स और सेक्शंस किसके पूछे गए हैं? पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? सेक्शंस और पेन्स ऑफ स्टार्ट पेज दैट अपीयर व्हेन वी ओपन VB. क्लियर? सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ VB IDE. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Write the full form. Integrated Development Environment. हाँ जी, कहाँ लिख रहे हो आप? Where you are writing? Had you underlined the points? आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो मैंने बोला आपने had you बुक है तो बुक में अंडरलाइन किए 3 sections. Modes of Visual Basic. Then starting page के components. Then full form of IDE. Integrated Development Environment. Write down the full form. Integrated Development Environment means an environment in which we can develop the application. Okay? Integrated means it has the composite, it has all the required things that we need to create an application. Design mode, run mode, we are editing in it, we creating it in it, and we are running the program, testing the program, all in same environment. That is why it is called Integrated Development Environment. Clear? Full form हो गई सबकी? Okay. Now come back to the components. What are the various components of this window? Usually in all of the windows we see one title bar at the top. Title bar at the top. So here also we are having one title bar which will display the name of application as well as the name of project. Name of project that we are working with. There, name of the project is Windows Application 3. I forgot to tell you, when we click on New Project, in this dialog box, there is a name section also. नीचे आपके पास name भी आ रहा है. जैसे database create करते time हम name starting में दे सकते हैं. Similarly, here also we can give name to the project in the beginning. Okay, we can give a name to the project in the beginning. And we can also go with the by default name and save it later on. Both the things can happen. Okay. Now, Windows Application 3 and the name of application, that means name of the software which we are using, Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. That is given on the right hand side. 3 buttons are there. कौन से buttons है? Title bar पे 3 buttons on the right hand side. Minimize, maximize, close button. On the right hand side, we have 3 control buttons. They are called control buttons. Control buttons कौन से हैं? minimize, maximize, close. Maximize or restore. Maximize button turn to restore. Restore button change to maximize. Okay. So on title bar we are having the name of application, name of the project, and 3 control buttons. Below that there will be a menu bar. File, edit, view, project, build, debug, data, format, tools, windows, and help. These are the various menus. Menus are having various options that will be used to create an application. Whatever options we need to, whatever features we need to create an application, they are present in these menus. Okay? All the options are categorized under various menus. जैसे आपके पास ribbon होता है, tabs होते हैं, tabs के अंदर जिस tab पे click करते हैं उस tab की options display होती हैं, right? So you can find ribbon, tabs and groups only in MS Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That also after 2007 version. Before that, we were having menu bars and toolbars. Okay, only in MS Office application you will find the ribbon or tabs. But in all the other application, most of the application you will find only menu bars. जैसे टैब पे क्लिक करते हैं तो उसकी सारी ऑप्शंस डिस्प्ले हो जाती है रिबन में. यहाँ पर सारी ऑप्शंस डिस्प्ले नहीं है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मेन्यू आ रहा है. तो मेन्यू पे क्लिक करते हैं, पुल डाउन मेन्यू में ऑप्शंस आ रही है. We choose one option, मेन्यू क्लोज हो जाता है. राइट? डिफरेंस सिर्फ इतना ही है. You can treat them as tabs. जैसे टैब्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे मेन्यूज है. ठीक है, टैब्स में क्या होता है, ऑप्शंस एवरी टाइम दे आर डिस्प्लेइंग. ऑन रिबन मेन्यूज में ऑप्शन तब डिस्प्ले होंगी जब एक पर्टिकुलर मेन्यू पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड दे विल गेट हाइड अगेन. क्लियर? So what is the benefit of having menus instead of ribbon? Why all of the applications are not correct? Space. Ribbon will always have to cover the space, है ना? Because options are every time open, but easy to use. But menus, it will have less space. Space कम use होती है. Yeah? Okay. Below that there is a toolbar. Menu bar के नीचे आपके पास toolbars हैं. Toolbars will have the buttons or icons for commonly used commands. We are having commonly used commands in the toolbars. These are just like a shortcut for the options which are present in menus. Various menus में जो options हैं which are very commonly used, जो frequently use होती हैं, उनके buttons और shortcuts toolbars पे बना के दे दिए जाते हैं, ताकि आपको बार बार menus में find out ना करनी पड़े. ठीक है, जो ज्यादा यूज होती है, frequently यूजर यूज करता है, icons और buttons of those options are present on toolbars. Clear? Underline हो गया definition. Title bar is present at the top of the window and display the name of currently open project. Yes, online students, are you underline the important definitions? Okay, next is menu bar. Menu bar contains many menu items and sub-menu items. These give access to various options which are required, which help in developing an application. Yes, Saksham, underline हो गया? दोनों read करो पहले line को, फिर underline करो. Toolbar, it has icons that give access to frequently used menu items. These are just the shortcuts to the options available in menu bar. Next is your form window. Which is form window? This is the form window. Form 1 जहाँ लिखा है. In which we create the application. In which we will place our controls, labels, text boxes, buttons, check boxes, pictures, calendar. All the controls will be displayed on this form. You can resize it. आपको लग रहा है कि ये अभी बहुत छोटा सा फॉर्म है, इसमें क्या करेंगे? Now, you can resize it according to your requirement. Sometimes हमें कुछ दो एक ही चीज पूछनी है, एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स, एक वैल्यू चाहिए, दो बटन चाहिए. You can have small form. Dialog box बनाना है. We can have that size of form. First number, second number पूछना है, third में display करवाना है. तो 3 टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस या 2 लेबल्स चाहिए. ओके, मेक देम, फॉर्मेट देम, साइज उतना फॉर्म का चाहिए. एडमिशन फॉर्म बनाना है, यू नीड मोर कंट्रोल्स, so you can have resize the form as a bigger form. ठीक है, तो we can resize the form according to our requirement. Form is a place where we will place all the controls and create the user-friendly interface by placing various controls on it. Okay, it is an interface through which the user interacts with an application. Okay, when suppose करो आपने कोई ऐप ओपन किया, गेम ऐप ओपन किया, स्टार्टिंग में आपके पास कुछ ऑप्शंस आती है सिलेक्ट करने के लिए, दैट इज अ फॉर्म. फॉर्म में आपको ऑप्शंस देती है, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स दे दिया, यूजर नेम एंटर करो, प्लेयर नेम एंटर करो, ओके पे क्लिक करो, प्लेयर 2 पे क्लिक करो. ठीक है, दैट इज अ फॉर्म. फॉर्म में वो सब चीजें, बटन्स और टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस क्रिएट करके दे दिए, आपने ऑप्शन पे ओके या कैंसिल किया, वो कमांड बटन बना दिए. ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी डिजाइन्ड इन दिस फॉर्म. ठीक है, वो फॉर्म्स डिजाइन हुए हैं, उसके पीछे कोडिंग हुई हुई है. तो सेम काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म्स वी विल क्रिएट हियर एंड वी विल डू द कोडिंग. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, underline the definition of form. Form is an interface through which user interacts with an application. It contains many control elements such as labels, text boxes, command buttons. Any controls? 3 examples दी हुई है because they are very common control. ये हर form पे होते ही होते हैं. And we are also going to use these controls first. ये 3 हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद we will move to the other controls. Clear? Okay, next is properties window. On the right hand side, you can see there is a solution explorer and properties window. Properties window will display the properties of each control. For example, Apple है. Apple की क्या properties हो सकती हैं? It is round in shape. It has red color, light red है या dark red है या yellow है या green है. It has a color. It has a taste. Taste is a property. Color is a property. Shape is a property. ठीक है. Size is a property. क्या size है? Similarly, for every control that we place on the form, it will have a property. What is its name? What is its size? What will be the foreground color? What will be the background color of button या label या text box? ठीक है, इसका कलर क्या होगा? इसमें जो इसका जो कैप्शन है, इसके ऊपर जो टेक्स्ट लिखा है, वो टेक्स्ट क्या होगा? टेक्स्ट का कलर क्या होगा? फॉन्ट क्या होगा? फॉन्ट का साइज क्या होगा? ठीक है, बटन का साइज क्या होगा? So all these are the various properties for each control that will be set from the properties window. Yeah, in this properties window you will find all the properties related to one control. जिस कंट्रोल पे क्लिक करेंगे उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो में आ रही होंगी, आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. बाय डिफॉल्ट अभी कोई कंट्रोल प्लेस नहीं किया तो इट इज डिस्प्लेइंग मी द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फॉर्म. फॉर्म की प्रॉपर्टीज आ रही है. फॉर्म का नेम क्या है, फॉर्म का बैक कलर क्या है, फॉर्म में कोई बैकग्राउंड इमेज है या नहीं है, फॉर्म में फॉन्ट कौन सा यूज होगा, इस फॉर्म में फॉर्म का कंट्रोल चेंज, फॉन्ट चेंज कर दिया. ठीक है, तो all these things can be changed for the form only. When we place text box, so it will display the properties of text box. So we will change that properties. Clear? Properties window, underline karo, what are properties? These are attributes that define the appearance and behavior of objects. हर object का appearance कैसी होगी और how it will behave in a project. Hide है कि unhide है, बटन इनेबल है या डिसेबल है. समटाइम्स आप डायलॉग बॉक्स खोलते हो, कुछ ऑप्शंस नजर आ रही हैं बट इनेबल नहीं है. होता है ना कई बार कि बटन है बट इनेबल नहीं है, उस पर क्लिक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, ग्रे कलर में आ रहा है. तो ऑल दीज प्रॉपर्टीज कैन बी सेट फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो. ठीक है, कोडिंग में हम लिख सकते हैं कि कब इनेबल करना है, कब डिसेबल करना है, कब हाइड करना है, कब शो करना है. One particular option is selected, then only this button will be enabled. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट नहीं किया, बोल्ड बटन इनेबल नहीं है. बोल्ड किसको करें? जब टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट करोगे तो करेंगे. So we can disable that button. Clear? Yes, online class, is it clear बेटा? किसी को कोई डाउट है? ये क्या मीटिंग बंद हो चुकी है क्या? Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone? Any doubt? Abdi, Jayant, Tanisha, any doubt, beta?